Welcome to Investor Labs, the ultimate hub for smarter money moves. Are you tired of wondering where your money goes every month? Imagine a system where every single dollar of your income works hard for you, whether it's crushing debt, building savings, or splurging guilt-free. In today's video, we're diving into zero-based budgeting, the game-changing strategy that gives you complete control of your finances. Stick around to learn how to make your money work smarter, not harder. Introduction to Zero-Based Budgeting. Zero-Based Budgeting, ZBB, is a method where every dollar of your income is assigned a specific purpose. At the end of the budgeting process, your total income minus your total expenses equals zero. This doesn't mean you spend all your money. It means you've allocated every dollar to either spending, saving, or investing. Benefits of zero-based budgeting: provides complete control over your money, encourages intentional spending, reducing waste, helps you prioritize financial goals like savings or debt repayment. Step-by-step guide to zero-based budgeting. Step 1. Calculate your total income. Include all sources of income: salary, side hustles, investments, etc. Use your net after-tax income for accuracy. Example: if your monthly income is $3,000, this is the amount you'll allocate. Step 2. List all your expenses. Start by listing all fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses: rent, insurance, loan payments, etc. Variable expenses: groceries, dining out, entertainment, utilities. Don't forget less frequent costs like subscriptions or annual fees. Divide them into monthly amounts. Step 3. Prioritize savings and debt repayment. Allocate a portion of your income to financial goals like emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Debt repayment. Focus on high-interest debt first. Savings or investments. Save for retirement, vacations, or other goals. Step 4. Assign every dollar a job. Ensure every dollar in your income is allocated to a specific category: $1,500 for fixed expenses, $500 for savings, $700 for variable expenses, $300 for debt repayment. The goal is for the total to equal your income. $3,000 minus $3,000 equals $0. Step 5. Track your spending use budgeting tools or apps, YNAB, Mint, or spreadsheets, to monitor expenses. Update your budget regularly to reflect any changes. Step 6. Adjust as needed. Life happens. If you overspend in one category, adjust another to stay within budget. Example: if groceries cost $50 more than planned, reduce dining out expenses by $50. Example: zero-based budget for a monthly income of $3,000. Rent, $1,000. Groceries, $400. Utilities, $200. Savings, $500. Debt repayment, $300. Entertainment, $200. Miscellaneous, $400 total. $3,000 minus $3,000 equals $0. Common mistakes to avoid: forgetting irregular expenses, account for quarterly or annual payments, being too rigid, allow flexibility for unexpected costs, skipping savings, always prioritize future goals. Conclusion: zero-based budgeting forces you to be intentional with your money, giving every dollar a job. It's a powerful tool to help you save, reduce debt, and live within your means. Start small, track your progress, and watch your financial health improve. Now that you know how to master zero-based budgeting, it's time to take action. Start small, track your progress, and watch your financial goals become reality. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Investor Labs, and turn on notifications for more tips to take your finances to the next level. And before you go, let me know in the comments: what's your biggest financial goal this year? Let's chat below.